speaking.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks. More importantly, how are you?
Good. Nice to meet you.
Pleasure's mine.
What's going on?
Well, just sell a little bit of coffee, trying to make a buck. How about you?
Yes, that's one of my mission parameters.
Excuse me.
Stop it! Don't do that.
What's this, big guy?
You son of a bitch.
What?
Stop whining.
You need some coffee, big guy?
Negative. You lack discipline. Who are you?
I'm and I run the place. Who are you?
I'm Detective John Kimball. Hey, I'm a police officer.
Well, you may be, but I doubt it very much.
I'm a cop, you idiot!
Well, you may be a cop. If you were a cop, you'd come down here in a cruiser and talk to me, and you wouldn't swear on the phone.
No, it is not true. I want to ask you a bunch of questions. And I want to have them answered immediately.
Well, fly at it.
Where is she?
Where's who?
Catherine Brewster.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
She's a healthy female of breeding age.
It doesn't work here, big guy.
You know you're lying.
No, I'm afraid I'm not lying. You're welcome to come down and take a look.
And you expect me to believe you?
Well, you don't have a lot of choice, big guy.
Your confusion is not rational.
Well, that's quite possible, but I have no idea what you're talking about.
My mission is to ensure the survival of John Connor and Catherine Brewster. I cannot jeopardize my mission.
I have no idea what you're doing, big guy, but you gotta be on drugs.
Yeah. Where is she?
I don't have no idea who that is.
You're right. I'm wasting my time. You're not the one I want.
If you're a police officer, you come down here and you show me your badge, and we'll talk. Until then, you're just some guy that's had too much to drink too early on a Monday.
I'm not programmed to follow your orders.
Well, I have no idea who you're talking about.
You idiot!
Well, thank you. I appreciate it. I'm glad you noticed.
I want to know what's going on, and I want to know right now.
Well, I'm sitting in a chair talking to a lunatic. That's what's going on.
I'm a cop, you idiot! Are you out of your mind?
Yes, I am. And yourself?
Yes!
We make a nice pair.
Affirmative.
Take care.